आसगाव घर मोडपाच्या प्रकरणात मुखेल सूत्रधार आणि आरोपी पूजा शर्माचो अटकपूर्व जामीन अर्ज कोर्टान भायर मारलो. पणजेचे जिल्लो सत्र न्यायालयान निवाडो दिलो. आतां पूजा शर्माक अटक करूंक पोलीस मेकळे. पोलीस कितें करता ताचेर लोकांची नजर. पंद्रस उलगली, पोलिसांची पूजाचे अटकेचेर कसलीच हालचाल ना.
Sir, as the bail has been dismissed, so your client will appear before the IO or you will approach the higher
Let us see it for my client to decide. According to me, there was every reason to grant bail. But then this has happened.
Okay. Sir, do you think there's still political pressure is there?
I don't know. Somebody may just bow down to political pressure externally also when there is no pressure. Because of politics, politicians, it's like that.
While rejecting the anticipatory bail plea of Pooja Sharma, the court has observed that even though she was not present at the crime scene when the alleged crime was committed, still she is the ultimate beneficiary of the demolition. Therefore, she is the prime accused, she is the main accused. The court has further observed that after someone was served to Pooja Sharma, but she intentionally delayed the proceeding and did not appear before the investigation officer. About the alleged demolition, the court has observed that it is not an incident or crime against any individual, but it is a crime against the public at large because it has shaken the sentiments of local people. The court has also observed that Agarwadekar family is still in trauma, and if the bail is granted to Pooja Sharma, the trauma will extend. One side, the road has been cleared for crime branch to arrest Pooja Sharma in this case, but Pooja Sharma also has option to approach High Court challenging the order of the principal district and sessions court rejecting her anticipatory bail plea. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.